Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to my friends on TV. Step here to a Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Useshmani.
Correct Steve mfethu. Sure namanje mfethu. Yeah, kazi lami ngiqala ukubonga abafowethu ngento eyenziwe iChiefs.
Yeah.
Asi appreciate for ama player we Chiefs. Ulilepo but Mfundo Vilakazi kakhulu yabo.
Sure Putomda.
Angithanda ukubonga kakhulu Mfundo Vilakazi. Ngimethulele isiqhoko kuyo yonke into asenzele
yabo. Utheshi.
Sure. But nginesicelo nginaso lapha kuChiefs ukuthi Mfundo Vilakazi ngathi bakamnikeza isikhathi esiright. Baye kumfaka lakhe ngesikhathi esincane yabo. Okay right Mfundo wena nkabi yami. Siyajabula kakhulu ngale 3 point abasigaya yona yabo. Sure. Okay. But ngibeke uApril. Ngine secret engiyibekile ngoApril. Ngibekele iPirates, ngifihle induku emgqubeni. Engizobubamba, iPirates ngizoyibamba kanje. Ehempe. iSundowns yothatha ileague. Namanje futhi. Correct.
Thank you so much.
Makikapor. Esibo mfana.
Uyayibamba seshimaya.
Ngibuyela.
Angeke kuyishaya iSundowns kanje. Angeke kuyishaya iSundowns.
Ngibuyela. Hayi, kuhloba umotel. Narimakhosi bra, ariketsi. Narimakhosi. Nagitse ke bula mahlo ke le khosi. Akitse re ko morao be o le bya.
Your blood is here.
Nna ke le khosi bra, ke a ishwela brand. I'm first. And then banong unfortunately we right dipolelo ka di 7 or ai le tshetse ngakitse but una le match ya 70 braga o buletse Rotman ola Vino Mapos. Are leo kaya ko website ya Chiefs braga na ke nthotle bolelang ka bolela ka di game tse Ntota imana ibuletse ngitse leo kaya ko website ya Chiefs e ka cheka pila o le lekhosi braga brand ya ubutsore singa makhosi ikhosi alipheli moya ifone uphela umoya uzoboshwa
var
uzoboshwa
var
ngiyayivala uyaboshwa mawuphela umoya ikhosi uzoboshwa asi-strike bafethu akusi team yakini le mawufuna ukustrike full team
ebuqwini le
vula team yakho
ebuqwini le
ungazo strikela le business
caba
wena uzofika under influence
ama player wakho unike
because aliphela moya
ngiyawuthwara ivale
Steve
ivale putomta
look at this season
kwale njaka ya
it over interesting
very interesting
because the way linga hona ne rona re supporter re lo ka rona self mara the player tsona le team tsa tsona ba monate
barata
ba bangwe yesterday ba drawile
Pirates
wa celebrate ba bangwe today Chiefs win holla ba bangwe pro bona re adimana right so nna ka mgo ke bona ka ona this league this season it over interesting braga and I don't hope or o ka direga or Pirates win the league
Pirates
ba win the league Pirates I think ke Sundowns so rona maybe re ka ona mogodi
mara Pirates yone
no pula kana every day wabona today weather na ile bad ina pula mara Chiefs win le godimo le butsi ke kwetse
thank you abuti hola seshimani Steve Grenne